In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add parallax movement on scroll in Webflow. Before diving into the steps, let's quickly touch on what parallax scrolling is and why it's so popular. Parallax scrolling is a technique where background images move by the camera slower than foreground images, creating an illusion of depth on a two-dimensional website. This dynamic and visually appealing effect can enhance your site's interactivity and keep your visitors engaged. Now, let's get started. First, ensure that you have your images ready to go. These images will be the elements that you want to animate using the parallax effect, so they should be of high quality and relevant to your website's theme. Once you have them prepared, open your Webflow project and navigate to the section that contains your images on the right panel. In the right panel, you'll notice an option labeled Interactions. Go ahead and click on that to open it. This panel is where all the magic happens, allowing you to create animations and interactions for your website elements. After opening the Interactions panel, select the specific section that contains the images you'd like to animate. Next, look for the plus icon labeled Element Trigger and give it a click. You're going to choose While Scrolling in View from the pop-up options. This trigger is essential because we're aiming to create an effect that animates as the user scrolls through the page. Once you've selected this trigger, you'll need to change the action drop-down to Play Scroll Animation. This selection tells Webflow to start an animation sequence based on the scrolling action. With this setup, it's time to add your scroll animations. Click the plus icon once more to create a new scroll animation. You'll find yourself in the Scroll Actions panel. Here, click the plus icon again and select Move. This move action lets you define how the elements will animate along the scroll path. To set up your parallax movement, adjust the move values so that your images move 500 pixels to the position you define at 0% scroll, and then set them to 500 at the 100% scroll point. This adjustment is what creates the parallax effect, where elements appear to move at different speeds and directions as you scroll. After everything is set, you can preview your work by clicking the Live Preview button. This will show you how the parallax effect looks in real time. Don't hesitate to tweak the number of pixels moved if you're looking to adjust the speed and intensity of your parallax effect while scrolling. A little experimentation can go a long way to perfecting the smoothness and depth of this effect. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a parallax scrolling animation in Webflow. Use this technique to add an extra layer of interactivity to your website and wow your audience with dynamic visuals that draw them further into your online world.